Poaching chicken breasts on the bone results, I think, in the most flavorful and juicy meat. Let me show you how it can be used in a few of my favorite dishes. Poached chicken is versatile. And we are making the broth. These are two very beautiful bone-in, skin-on chicken breasts. Just put that into the cool water. And 1 carrot, 1 stalk of celery, a couple sprigs of parsley, a couple sprigs of thyme, and 2 bay leaves. I love bay leaves. And a little bit of black peppercorn and 1 teaspoon of salt in the water. We're not using lemon, we're not using wine. We just want a flavorful, lovely chicken breast. You bring this to a boil, turn it down to a simmer, and heat the water to keep it at around 170 to 180 degrees. And the internal temperature of the chicken should read 160 degrees when done. Approximately 15 to 18 minutes. So the chicken is 160 degrees in the thickest part. Put the chicken in a bowl large enough for it to sit in the bottom and pour the poaching liquid right through a strainer over the chicken and let it cool in the broth. This will result in the most tender chicken. Let it sit out until it cools and put it in the fridge, just like this. And when it's cool enough, you can peel it and take it off the bone. So now the chicken has cooled in the broth. Peel the chicken breast, take the skin off, and here is a beautiful breast. You can shred the chicken if you like. You can cut it into cubes. And I have a beautiful fresh Cobb salad with hard-boiled eggs, blue cheese, tomatoes, avocado, freshly cooked bacon on a bit of romaine lettuce. And you can just cube one of the breasts of chicken or slice it. It's juicy, it's tasty, it's very, very fresh, and it looks very good. And then just put a stripe of this on that platter. Every single thing is just delightfully good. So there's the Cobb salad all done. Oh, does that look